gonna start with my pre-seasoned shark. I had some green seasoning, I added some extra. So we have some tomato, onion, garlic, pimento, and we have chives, celery, and cilantro. I also use a piece of ginger. Everything is cut, and I'm going to mix my saffron that I made recently with some curry powder. Mix that in with a cup of hot water. Not necessarily hot water, but I like to use hot water. So I'm going to infuse my oil with this garlic, and once it is infused, I'm going to add my onions. When my onions has come translucent, I'm going to add the tomato and the pimento pepper, then add my curry liquid and let that cook down for a little bit, and then I'm going to start to add my shark. Note, I am not going to add any other water to this because the water from the curry is just enough to cook the shark. Alright, so once that cooks down there for a good minute, don't customer for a good minute or two, I am going to add some grated garlic and ginger and some cilantro and chive and celery. Mix that in, let that cook down for about 2 minutes, and then I'm having that with some rice, and let's plate. And there we have some delicious curry shark and rice. Real easy recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out all of my other videos. Again, the only liquid that was used was the curry liquid and just the seasoning that was marinating the shark. And my green seasoning link would be in the cards above, and I will also leave 2 other YouTubers video for a good green seasoning. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.